Hey y'all, Doorbone here. In this video we're going to make a hexagon, and I already know how it's going to go because I've already made it. So here we go. Right here I'm ripping down all the boards to 2.5 inches so that they're all an equal width. A lot of these boards are different thicknesses, so right now I'm stacking them in piles to where they're the same thickness so that everything comes out good. Right here I'm cutting 6 boards 6 inches long with a 30-degree bevel on both ends because 30 times 12 is math. Right here I'm just measuring to make sure everything's square, and then I'm going to nail it together. And then we'll let it dry and come back tomorrow. Good morning everybody, it's a new day. Happy dance. Hey y'all. Well, we learned how to make a wildly uncomfortable toilet seat or a hexagon that we'll probably use in the future to make something cool. I just wanted to see if I could make it happen, and it worked out. So that's good. And I guess that's it for this one, and thank you for watching.